Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hello, crush. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you the brand new Afterglow Lip Balm from Nars. This is how it looks like right now, and I have 4 shades, so I'm going to tell you now because I am going to forget. So the shade I have is Crush number 232. And then I have the shade, of course, the Orgasm number 777, and then shade Stargaze number 236, and last but not the least, I have the shade Hotline number 257. So today's video, I'm going to give you a lip swatch, and of course, swatch on the wrist because we need to know and we need to see once it applied. It is not the same when you apply it here and then you apply it on the lips. It's completely different, and that is why this review and this kind of showing you the colors are very important before you go ahead and buy them. But anyway, I cannot wait to try the brand new ones because look, the packaging itself, it's very pretty. I love that it has like a soft pink, and I like the embossing in there. It's just so chic, and I love that all the upgrades that they did is really, really good. So now let's go ahead and try them on. I have nothing on my lips. I think I'm going to try the Stargaze first. This is the lightest shade and also really nice, sort of bright coral. But keep in mind, these products are a lip balm and treatment. So this time they added a 24-hour hydration, lock the moisture into your lips, and all of that goodness. So let's try it on. Stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. So first, you see my lips here. I did not put anything. I wanted to see if this product is as good as, you know, the first formula that they have. I will bet on it, but let's just see. So this is a little dry, and that's the first kind of swipe. Let's do the top one. Oh my god, this one is so pretty. I'm just going to do this. So there you go, the Stargaze shade. They're very lightweight still, and it's not sticky as they promised. It is a non-stick, very light sheer into it. It's kind of like that, like clean girl look. So if you're really into that, like, you know, kind of looking like just natural beauty, but actually you have something on, this is something that you would invest because it's so good. Honestly, I already love them because, like I said, I have this, and I guess the packaging before was like whatever is the color of the lip balm inside, it is the color of the packaging. This year when they relaunch it, it's just all about like this, like it's uniform, it's all like nice and pink and pretty and who doesn't love pretty stuff? So while I kind of like let that sit for, you know, while we're talking, I can really feel that product is absorbing into my lips, and the feeling of that little bit of dryness around my lips is starting to kind of feel a little better now. It's not as like crusty or something. Ew. It's like not a good word. But anyway, so this is the Stargaze. I'm gonna give you a swatch because it's important. Here I'm gonna do my best to show you how it looks like. So there it is. It's very light, and you can see that it has a little bit of like hint of peach in there, which is perfect for like spring. Oh my goodness, I'm going to use this a lot. I'm also gonna show you just a close-up look of the lips right now. You can see that it's still a little bit dry, but I think at the end of this video my lips is going to be well moisturized. Alright, take a look at one more time the shade Stargaze. It is so pretty and perfect for your spring. Okay, move on to the next shade. Okay, so I'm just applying the shade Orgasm, and this is super pretty, you guys. There's a little bit of shimmer into it, and of course it is the same Orgasm formula in the blush, in the liquid one that they have, in the lipstick, in the gloss, name it, they have it all. So this time it is a lip balm, and again it is also a treatment. It's very, very light sheer, but again it's giving you this like super nice golden shimmery peachy pink tone to it, and even on the lips it's showing a little bit more. This is what I love when it comes to lip balm, the not sticky one and also very lightweight. I can just apply this like, you know, all day and I won't feel like irritated because it's, like I said, again, I keep saying it, like it's lightweight. You guys, it's lightweight. The word is lightweight. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's just so pretty. It's slightly different from the Stargaze. Stargaze is definitely a lot more in the peachy side, and the Orgasm, it's showing that pinky tone to it and the golden shimmer to it as well. So there it is. Oh my god, it's just so nice. It's really, really nice. I love it. Okay, let's clean it up. I'm just actually using a cotton wipes here. And there you go. It's clean. Now I guess I'm good to go with the next shade. It is Stargaze. Oh no, wait. That's a mistake. I already tried it on display. Like I was, that looks like the first one. I'm sorry. So the next shade would be Crush. It is 232. The reason why I also say the number, because I have some viewers here, like especially coming from Asia, they actually don't go with the names. They go with the numbers. I know this because when I used to work for Nars, I will get a lot of like Asian clientele and they would just say number. They wouldn't even say the name. And I think this is very important when I'm making my videos, most especially with Nars product. It's very, very popular in Asian countries. So that's why I'm also saying the number, just in case you're curious why I say that. Well, let's apply this. You've been waiting. Crush. Ooh, crush. I love that. I have a high school crush for sure. Everybody has a crush. Okay, so let's apply this. Oh my god, I'm so... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hello, crush. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And I noticed something about this lip balm, which is I'm definitely gonna tell you at the end of this video. There's something in it that you wouldn't realize and you wouldn't know, but it's actually doing it. I'm gonna give you a swatch because the swatch is gonna look different because every lips has a different texture, different undertone. So here, so notice there it's slightly more on the burnt orangey tone. It honestly looks so pretty. I love it. It's giving you something, but it's not too much. I'm weird now, but I don't know why, because I just saw it and it's like, okay. So the first two shades, I definitely feel like those are like the pretty ones, like, you know, like really pretty, just like, oh, I just put it on and I look pretty instantly. But this is something different. I feel like this, I'm more like, I'm hot. You know what I mean? Like it's just giving this like fire, like a little bit more in the hotter side, if that makes sense. I mean, it's true though, like you can see it, like it just changed the vibe. I think because it's slightly darker, it shows a little bit of my lips compared to the first two are brighter, so it's just kind of like, ooh, pretty. But the darker shade, it looks a little bit more like plumpier and shows a little bit of my lip definition, so it looks a lot more like sexy and hot. Next up is the Hotline. Now this shade has the word Hotline, so I am hoping that this will be hot. Okay, so this is the shade. Here it looks very dark. Don't be deceived because this, I have swatched it. It's actually really, really good. I'm super excited to try this on, so let's go ahead. This is definitely showing something different. So I feel like this is the real hot. I'm having fun filming this video because you know why? Nars is the most intriguing name when it comes to products. First of all, I love the brand already, but the vibe that it's giving me, especially reading the names, it's also different. So this is the real hot. But what do you think, guys? This is definitely showing color. It gives me this like elegant kind of vibe. You can add a lip liner if you want. If you want more like a clean looking, simple, and you just add a little bit of color, you can also do that. But again, these lip balms are also a treatment, and I showed you earlier, the first time I put the balm and I said my lips is going to be moisturized at the end of this video, and sure it does. I don't feel any crust anymore. Everything is soft. It glides better. And that's when you know the product is actually working that fast, instantly. So if you ask me what's my favorite, oh my goodness, this is tough. I cannot complain. The formula is better and everything is just upgraded, so it's good. I love the packaging, and it's just up to you what shade are you getting. You know, if you want to pick like maybe a good two shades, something pretty and something hot, I'm gonna suggest the Orgasm, and I think I'm going to do the Hotline because Hotline, it gives you that color. If you want the Hotline to get a little bit more lighter, of course you can put Orgasm under it, and then you put the Hotline on top, so it's going to give you some different kind of shades. But you could definitely mix this, just going to give you hydration, healthy lips, powder lips, and all of that. So yes, that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have fun. I definitely have fun, and it's just so good when the product is working. You know what, I forgot to swatch from the last one. Hotline coming in. um there it is. Yep, so you can see. But like I said, if you were to pick two, I'm going to choose Orgasm and Hotline. So there you have it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I have fun. Thank you for supporting my videos, my content. And I'm also going to include all the description down below. I have an affiliate link. Those are free for you if you were to shop. It's going to help my channel a lot, and I really do appreciate all your support. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah.